Okay, Rain, I'm videotaping. It's your birthday, Rain. Can you say how old you are now?
Yeah.
How old are you?
5.
No, you were 3 yesterday, so how old are you today? How old? How old are you today? 60?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe 4. Are you 4? Can you hold up this many?
Yeah.
Hold up this many. 4. Can you count them for me? Uh-huh. Is there anything special you want to do for your birthday?
Yeah.
What?
That one.
Uh-huh. Is there anything special you want to eat on your birthday?
No.
You don't want birthday cake?
I do, Mom.
Okay. Is there anything you want to tell your audience?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell us about Rain?
I don't eat.
Uh-huh. What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite part is playing birthday presents.
Ah, well, we're about ready to do that, Rain. Does that make you happy?
Yeah.
What do you do when you're happy? How do you show me you're happy? How do you show me you're happy? Can you say yay?
Yay.
Very good. I love you, baby. Love you, bye-bye. Say love you, bye-bye.